our 3-compartment corner sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to the right corner, we have 80 inches in length, a depth of 23.5 inches, and a height of 43.5 inches with backsplash. Minus the splash, we have 36 inches. The length for the left and right backsplash will be 57 inches. The length for the left and right, we have, and right side will be 33 inches. Left and right drain boards. Each drain board will measure 16.25 inches in length by 19.75 inches in depth. Left, center, and right compartments. Each compartment will measure 18.25 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Each compartment will include their drain baskets. And coming to the left and right side are slots to install your faucet. The distance between each hole will measure 9 inches. Located on the left side is the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.